camping trips.
Honey.
The site is nice.
I think that it's fun because there's lots of food.
Yeah, we know this.
Uh-oh.
He's
Did you...
sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Can you get him from me? I made him coffee.
Oh, okay.
Coffee.
What's his name again? Damien. Yo, Damien! Wake up!
What?
Shut up. I'm trying to sleep.
What?
Your girlfriend made you a cup of coffee.
You mean my wife?
I don't care.
You're married?
You're married?
Yeah.
What? I thought you guys were just...
I've been married for 6 years.
I take that.
What? I thought that you guys were just boyfriend and girlfriend. Bro, this is totally messed up. You guys get married on a camping trip?
We've been married for 6 years.
What? No.
Have
no,
your
no, no,
coffee.
no.
Have your
You
damn
never would. You
coffee.
never.
You never told us.
You never even invited us to your wedding.
Yeah, like what the heck?
I did. You just didn't come.
Bruh. I bet you messaged us on
I
that
messaged
old...
you guys on Messenger.
Well, we don't have Messenger. We only have Textra.
You mean Facebook?
No, Textra.
What's Textra?
It's a text thing, you non-texting fool.
Well,
I text people
whatever
every
it is,
single day.
I don't care. I'm stressed out. I'm eating a hot dog.
Whatever it is, I don't give a frick. I'm going
Oh,
to take my
perfect. No mustard. Just like I like it.
bath. All right, I'm going to take a bath.
I don't care. And you guys are probably asking why I'm acting so weird. That unicorn, he's so dreamy.
I'm gonna kill you.
I'll slap you with a hot dog.
Yeah, and I'll slap you with a knife.
I'll be right back. Nope, he's in there. No, I can't. He's just so dreamy.
Would you guys shut up? I'm trying to enjoy my coffee.
I don't care that you're trying to enjoy your coffee. I just am talking about what I want, and you're not going to stop me. Oh, what are you going to do? Fight me in the streets? How dare you? Ah, you got coffee on me. Oh, your wife's calling you.
What is it?
That guy's so ridiculous, right? Oh, he made me drop my hot dog. That's
Can you
just
please
great.
give me my coffee? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Love you, Ma. See, that's my car.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I love milk. It's
Burns.
so good.
Babe, get
burn-
my coffee.
Burn.
shit.
Oh my God, there's so much going on. Burns hand. Ow! Oh my God.
Can you get the coffee?
It's empty.
Okay, anyways, I was saying that unicorn dude is just so dreamy. And, like, I just can't with him. I act so... There's grass in your ears. I just act so weird around him.
Yeah, because he thinks you're an idiot.
What? No. What a...
Act like him.
What a relaxing... Oh my God. I'm gonna take a nap. Yeah. Can I have coffee, please?
Yeah. Where's the
Oh.
coffee mug?
Coffee mug, come here. I'm drinking my coffee. What the? Oh my God! She's taking a bath.
I'm taking a bath. Okay, today I got work. Okay.
Could
I
I
go
have
to
the-
work at 11 and go back.
Can I have like a
and I
orange
go back home
or peaches?
at 12 o'clock. So
Okay.
I need my coffee.
We get it.
Thank you.
Here's your orange.
Thank you. Do you have any peaches?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna go in the tent. And you're like, oh, your girlfriend's in there though. What? If I could ever just wait, but who said that? Me, did you forget that I'm camping too? Oh, sorry.
What the heck?
Can
What
someone
said that?
give me the cucumbers?
Right.
No. Shut up, Sarah.
Babe.
What?
The mail came in.
Ooh, thank you for that.
And guess what?
Um,
Also, I have 2 exciting news.
What?
The mail finally came in for you.
Okay, cool.
Also,
Did I get
I'm pregnant.
no?
You remember? 2 nights ago?
Oh yeah, we went to that place.
Yeah. And now I'm pregnant.
The facility thingy.
We're gonna have a girl.
Cool.
She's gonna look like you, but gray and blue and white.
Great.
And it's gonna take 9 months. So I better get some sleep.
Yo, cat.
Uni! Can you get out the bed? I need to take a nap.
oh, you can sleep under me, okay?
No, I'm pregnant.
I don't care. Just sleep under me.
Fine.
I'm gonna eat my peaches and oranges.
Can someone
somewhere
give me
else.
the cucumbers? I need them. No, I'm playing with.
Yo.
Let him play him, Ophelia.
All right. I'm gonna need someone for the girl.
No,
For the baby girl.
We don't have anybody.
It has to be 9 months. 9 months.
Yo. Go for
Thank you for the cucumbers.
I play him.
I need 2.
No.
One for each
Um,
eye.
Hey, whenever this camping trip is over,
Thank you.
do you wanna hang out
You
sometime?
wanna play fetch? You want these dog treats? You
Oh, whoa,
Want the dog treats?
careful.
want the dog treats?
Yeah, sure. Okay, cool.
Sorry, I'm stealing it from you.
What?
My girlfriend cheated on me.
What do you mean?
Babe, I'm just joking. You can't take a joke. The mail came in. That's all.
You're in the video. Emma, you're in the video. Emma, you're in the video. Emma, you're in the video. So, she cheated on you?
No, it was a joke.
Oh,
I was joking.
Okay. That's a serious joke though.
Listen. So,
He's eating out of the tree. Can I locked in on another tree? Want another tree? Can I locked in on you? You want a tree?
Yes. So you can get her back.
oh, she never cheated. It was a joke.
But you can but that's a serious joke and you can get her back by getting a serious joke back.
Oh, yeah.
Say, bro, what are you guys talking about?
Nah. What are you guys talking about?
Nothing. Nothing you need to worry about.
I'm a sister, you know. I hear everything.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's just best friend stuff.
Can I locked in on you?
And well, can we invite her to the joke? Can we invite her to the joke?
No, I mean, I'm gonna get pregnant, actually.
But she was just joking.
Yeah, so I won't be. Easy.
That almost passes out. What the? But that's not fair. She was just joking.
She's been begging me to go to a facility to get a child for a year.
Yeah,
But you
put
guys
these
are
on
only
your
boyfriend
eyes.
and girlfriend.
What? They'll change your life.
I'm gonna propose next month.
Then this is life changing for
I
dogs.
said I'm gonna propose next month.
Dogs is love.
Oh, okay. But then why are you gonna cheat on her?
I'm not cheating, you idiot. They put an egg in me. Actually, it's easy. Actually, it's not that easy.
Actually, it's not that easy.
It actually takes a long time to get bananas sometimes. Basically, like a man. It's basically like a male.
Ow! Oh, are you okay?
There, the tuna's finally going in. Took so long. Took so damn long.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm fine. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna bye, I guess. I'm gonna go grab a hot dog.
Don't touch them.
But I'm hungry. Does puppy eyes?
You can have my
Oh,
coffee.
you made him do puppy eyes.
You
What the
can have
heck?
my coffee.
Ah, my coffee.
Hey, I was using that. You took it.
Just let him have a hot dog.
They're uncooked.
Oh, then, I love cold hot dogs, though. Please.
Shoves an uncooked hot dog down his throat.
Does Heimlich? Are you
Shoves
okay?
another hot dog down his throat.
Does Heimlich?
Shoves two hot dogs down his throat. And forces them to stay. Shoves some more hot dogs down his throat.
Pretend that you accidentally did it to me, though. Does Heimlich? He pretended he ran away.
An uncooked banana.
No.
Inhale.
No. Oh, pretend that she was very hungry, so she didn't care. Whenever the hot dogs went down, she was just choking. Oh, banana. Inhale. Literally inhales. Yum, yum in my tum-tum. Okay, I'm going to grab more snacks. Bro, what are you doing? You're putting ketchup.
Salad.
Ow! Ah! Is there a ghost haunting this campsite?
Oh, that's my friend Jimmy. He's dead. My sister mauled him to death.
Play the dog. I'm so confused. I mean, I love food, but this is just out of hand. Oh my gosh! I almost got some on my whiskers because they're so long.
Yeah. Mom left, right? Yeah, she said I could play.
Are you okay? Oh yeah, I'm fine. And are you sure you're okay? My throat just itches a little. I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, well, good night. Good. Have a good rest. Whatever.
I need some sleep.
No one cares about you.
Yeah, no one cares about you.
Hey, what did you say? You want to get sprayed?
Spray.
Touch Damon and I stab
My
you to death.
eyes!
Never mess with the mother.
Ow! My eyes burn. What is wrong with you?
Because I am the mother. I am a mom.
Who cares? Those orange eyes. Put in it was opened a little.
That's it. Sprays even more.
Ow! My eyes! Why my eyes? It could have been anywhere else.
Oh, sprays and melts.
Anywhere!
And this is also poisonous.
Passes out. Yo! Are you okay? Speak to me!
No.
Speak to me!
Yeah.
Speak to me, Heather! Please, Heather!
This will make her better.
Swingles.
Wakes up! That was disgusting! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
Who wants dog treats?
Bro, I'll take some. I fall.
Wait.
He's so cute.
Put the camera. I think I'm a pass. I need more.
Bro, don't shove so much hot dogs in your. I mean, whatever these. They smell like hot dogs. That's why I called them hot dogs.
Pretend you tasted one.
Eyes go wide. This whole entire thing. Ouch! And he was like, "Oh, sorry. It's okay.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm tired. Will you just take a nap?" Sorry. No, you're fine. I'm just gonna go grab another hot dog. Hey, y'all! Who ate the hot dog out of this bread? You. When you engulfed it. You were making him inhale it. He's about to be my boyfriend because we're about to go on a date. You said going on a date.
Pretend
He
she
asked
was
me
really
out on a
tired
date.
and she was on your shoulder.
Oh great, it's a demon. Hola, soy Heather.
Shut up.
I know you speak Spanish.
Hey guys, who wants to see something
By the way,
interesting?
viewers, I said hello. I am Heather.
Hey guys, who wants to see something awesome? Look up here.
Bruh. That is. I could easily do that. I wish.
Tony Hawk over here. Get the hell out of here.
I can make my own wishes come true.
Easy, Bash.
Because my unicorn horn is pretty magic. Try harder.
Can everybody shut the f up? I am trying to get some sleep.
How about you go do your sleep with someone
Tony
else?
Nope.
Whee!
What is the poisonous spray? Sprays.
Hey, I didn't do anything to you. What is that for? Give me the Bring it in my mouth again.
Nothing can hurt me.
You want to get some too, honey? Oh, wait. Sorry. honey.
Okay.
You want to get some too?
Leave a comment if these guys are crazy. Look at my mouth. It's literally breaking out because of that stupid spray. Ow! Ow!
That's what you get.
Ow!
Listen to your elders.
You're
Listen.
not an elder.
I'm going to be an elder in 50 more years. Don't make
Who
me
cares?
use this. Slaps her.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh,
you
muffin! Ow! Ow! Ow!
the wind blew it. What the heck?
Are you okay?
We're going to have to rebuild this place.
Yeah. I'm fine. Oh no, we better start cleaning up. No, you don't have to do it. I did the whole thing. I just wanted a muffin. Oh no!
Hey, dude, guess what? I baked.
No! I wish I could fly.
Dude! What?
Get over here, flying tent!
I love this.
My Heather sense is tingling. She must be hurt. I wish I could fly. Heather! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just got some air knocked out of me.
I broke the flippin' tent.
Are you sure you're okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm gonna take you back to the campsite. I wish I could fly.
I broke a flippin'
Yo, I'm walking here. Sorry.